Okay, this is the SPM paper 2 for MX, and then I just got it today from one of my students. And then today I'm going to discuss few of the questions which my student thinks quite difficult. So yeah, so I just choose few questions because if I need to do about all the question, maybe this video will become very long. However, if you need any help in other question of this paper, you can just message me or just comment in the Facebook page or comment in my YouTube channel. Okay, let's have a look on the question number 10. Okay, this one is 8 mark question, and then this is the geometric coordinates. Okay, I think this question actually is quite simple. However, I have to admit actually this paper is quite hard as compared to the previous past year question, because few question actually is not that direct, and then you have to like think before you do. Okay, so let's have a look. But then this question 10, I consider this one is one of the easy question. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, the first thing it says, okay, solution by skill drawing is not accepted. Means actually you cannot like use your ruler to measure here 2 cm represent 2 unit or something like that. Means you have to calculate lah. Okay, the first thing he say, diagram 10 show the quadrilaterals PQRS. The straight line PQ is perpendicular to the straight line PS. Point T line on the straight line PS. So he tell you this is quadrilateral, means it's something like rectangle, but then quadrilateral means all is different length. Okay, so he say point T will lie on the straight line PT, and then he give you one equation here. Okay, so nothing special about this diagram. Okay, so let's have a look on the first question. Okay, for part A, what he want on the part A is find the equation for the straight line PS. Okay, now he want to find the equation for PS. Okay, when you want to find PS, of course you do not have two coordinate and do not have gradient. So what you can do is you know that actually this one you got two coordinate. You can get the gradient of PQ, and then since they are perpendicular, you can use m1 multiple m2 equal to -1 to get the gradient of PS, and then you substitute back this coordinate, you can get equation PS. Okay, let me show this one quickly. Okay, I think it's quite simple. So first thing, I calculate the gradient first. Okay, so first thing from here, I can easily know, okay, the gradient for PQ will equal to 8 minus 6 divided by y1 minus y2 divided by 5 minus 1. Then I can get the gradient is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. Okay, then I can get, okay, this gradient is 1 over 2. Okay, now I want to find equation PS. Since they are perpendicular, so I know equation PS, the gradient PS multiple gradient PQ will equal to -1 because they are perpendicular. Okay, so therefore we know we know PQ gradient PQ is 1 over 2, so therefore gradient PS will equal to -1 multiple 2, because they are multiple 1 over 2, I move here, become 2, so gradient will become -2. Okay, this is gradient for PS. Now he want equation PS, so I just substitute this one into the formula. So we have to substitute back in this coordinate. So at P, coordinate P is 1, 6. So you'll find equation PS. So equation PS will equal to equation PS, okay, you substitute this gradient into this coordinate. So I use the simple formula. Y minus 6 will equal to m -2 x minus 1. Okay, so I solve this equation. So y minus 6 will equal to negative 2x plus 2. Therefore, y will equal to negative 2x plus 8. This is the equation of PS. This is the equation of PS. Therefore, equation of PS is y equal to negative 2x plus 8. Then you can get 3 marks. Okay, as long as you know this coordinate and then you got the gradient of PS, then you substitute back, you can get 3 marks. So because this is past year question, so this is not past year question, this is a real SPM question, so I just do it faster. The second thing, what he want to find, the second part, he want to find the coordinate of S. Okay, coordinate of S. So coordinate of S is here. Okay, you got this equation, you just use the simultaneous equation method, then you can easily get S. Means you substitute two equations together. Okay, so I write down this equation first. This is 7x minus 2y will equal to 39. Okay, so I simplify this equation, become y equal to mx. So y will equal to 7 over 2x minus 39 over 2. Okay, means you solve the equation, you can get this one. Okay, because this one become negative 7x divided by negative 2 become positive 7 over 2x. Here is positive 39 divided by negative 2 is negative 39 over 2. Okay, and then another equation is equation PS, because this equation and this equation they intersect at S. So the another equation is the PS, y will equal to negative 2x plus 8. So this is 1, this is 2. So I just solve this one using simultaneous, then I can get the coordinate for S. So I substitute 1 into 2. Then I can get 7 over 2x minus 39 over 2 will equal to negative 2x plus 8. Okay, I multiply 2 for everything. 7x minus 39 will equal to negative 4x plus 16. Okay, I put them together. 11x will equal to 55. Okay, 11x, so x will equal to 5. Okay, we got the x coordinate for coordinate S. Then we substitute x. Okay, we substitute this one, go back to the 2. So y will equal to negative 2, 5 plus 8. We substitute back this equation. Then we can get y will equal to negative 2 plus 10 and multiple 5, we got negative 10 plus 8, we got negative 2. Therefore, coordinate S is equal to 5 and negative 2. This is coordinate S. Okay? Then you got another 2 mark, which is ask you to find coordinate S. Okay? It's like that. Okay? Then we go to the third part. Part C. Okay, he say coordinate of T if PT and TS is 1:1:3. PT is 1, TS is 3. So here PT ratio is 1, TS ratio is 3. Okay, because they are saving. So this one just use the formula, you can easily solve. So I roughly sketch out this one. Okay, P, T, and S, and given this one is 1, this one is 3. Okay, the ratio is given. So we got coordinate P. Coordinate P is 1, 6, and then we got the coordinate S. Coordinate S is 5, 2. 5, negative 2. Okay, is it? Yeah, let me double check. Yes, it's 5, negative 2. Okay, we got 2 coordinate, and then we got the ratio. Obviously, this one we have to use the ratio formula, which is mx plus nx1. Sorry. office or you like go out office? Okay, sorry, I have a phone just now. Okay, so you have to use this formula. Is mx plus nf divided by m plus n, and then my plus my1 divided by, this is n, m plus m will equal to xy. So you have to, this is like for the ratio formula. So this formula is very simple. The 3 multiple the further one, and then 1 multiple the further one. So it's very simple. So m is 3 lah. Let m equal to 3 and then n equal to 1. So I just multiple x to x lah. So m is 3, 3 multiple 1 plus n is 1, 1 multiple 5 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So this one, same thing. 3 multiple the further one is 3 multiple 6 plus n is 1, 1 multiple the further one, -2 divided by 4. Then I can get the coordinate t. Coordinate t is equal to xy. And I just solve this one. 3 plus 5 we got 8, 8 divided by 4 we got 2. This one 18 minus 2 is 16, 16 divided by 4 we got 4 equal to xy. Okay, so from here we know the coordinate t, x is equal to 2, y equal to 4. So coordinate t is equal to 2, 4. That's all. You got another 3 marks. As long as you understand this formula, you understand the ratio, understand the coordinate, you know actually t is equal to xy, this one, then you can easily get another 3 marks. Okay, so we do the last part. So part D is a little bit difficult, but then I think it's still okay. So what he want to find for D? Okay, he want you to find the coordinates of R if the area and quadrilateral PQ is 30 units square. So, okay. You want you to find the coordinate of R if the area of quadrilateral is 30 units square. So you want you to find coordinate R. You got this coordinate, this coordinate, this coordinate. Because in order to find an area, you need to have 4 coordinates. Now we do not have R, and then he asks you to find R. It's very common, and then he gives the area is 30. Okay, so okay, from here you should, okay, first thing I let R equal to xy, and then I apply in the formula 1/2, and then I apply, okay, I let R equal to xy, and then I apply in this formula. So this formula is what? x1 multiple x2 multiple x3 multiple x4, not multiple, and then repeat the first one. Okay, and then y1, y2, y3, y4, repeat y1, and then x1 multiple y2, and then x2 multiple y3, x3 multiple y4, x4 multiple y1 minus x1 multiple y4, and subsequently. Okay, so in order to do this one, we need to have all the coordinates. So I just roughly write down all the coordinates here. P is 1, 6, Q is 5, 8, R we do not know, R is xy, and S we got it just now. S we got it just now is, what is the coordinate? S is 5, -2. 5, -2. Okay, PQRS, we got all the coordinate PQRS already. So he tells us the area for quadrilateral PQRS is 30. So that means I substitute whole equation here, I will get 30. Okay, so I just put in, so 1/2, and then I put in all the coordinate x first. So this is 1, 5, x 5. So I got 1, 5, x 5, repeat the first one, 1, and then draw a straight line, and then the y will be 6, 8, y negative 2, repeat the first one, 6 will equal to 30. This one is given. Okay, then I just multiple. So okay, I move the 1 over 2 to this side, it will become 60. So 1 multiple 8, I got 8 plus 5y minus 2x plus 30. Okay, minus multiple like this. Okay, multiple like this. So first one I will get negative 2 plus 5y plus 8x and then plus 30. Okay, will equal to 60 because I moved the 1 over 2 to this side. So you have got 60 here, and I just solve this equation. I think I can get the x1. Okay, so this one, okay, we got 38, 5y minus 2x plus 38 minus, okay, this one we got 28, so minus 28 minus 5y minus 8x. Remember, your minus is for everything. Okay, for everything means you have to minus in. You got 60. Then I solve this equation. 5y minus 5y, we got nothing. Negative 2x minus, so we got negative 10x. 38 minus 28, we got plus 10. Will equal to 60. Okay, when you got this symbol, you have to open up this symbol. You have to understand you will got positive, negative. You will got positive, negative. Okay, so therefore we will got double here, so negative 10x plus 10, we will got 60, or negative 10x plus 10, we will got negative 60. Because this symbol, we open up this symbol here, we will got positive, negative. So we answer, we will got positive and negative. Okay, therefore, okay, I continue here. Okay, so therefore, okay, so negative 10x will equal to 50, x will equal to negative 5, or negative 10x will equal to negative 70, and then x will equal to 7. Okay, I just move from here to here. Okay, due to the not enough spaces, I zoom out a bit. Okay, negative 10 plus 10 equal to 60, so I just plus 10 move here, become minus 10, so x will become negative 5, and then this one negative 10 move here, become negative 10, so negative 70 divided by negative 10, you got 7. Okay, when you got this two coordinate, you have to go back to the diagram. This is about coordinate r. So is it possible we got negative in the r here? It's not possible because r is in the positive area. So we only take the x equal to 7. And then we put back to this equation in order to get y. Okay? So, okay, I just put back here. So we didn't take this one, we take this one. Okay, so 7x is 7 minus 2y will equal to 39. So therefore, negative 2y will equal to 49. 49 is 49. 49 minus 49, we got negative 10. So y we will got 5. Therefore, coordinate r, you will got 7 and 5. That's all for this kinds of coordinate, with this kind of coordinate chapter. So actually it's not really hard, but then this one, the harder part is like open up this one, because a lot of students maybe they do not know you have to do become positive and negative. Okay, and then yeah, you just solve this one. Okay, let me choose one more question to end this video, and then maybe on next week I will post more more questions about this paper. Okay, let's have a look on one of the question. I'm not sure why students think it's quite hard, which is motion on a straight line. I love this kind of question, so let's have a look. Okay, in this section C, normally he will ask you choose 2 questions only. So let's have a look on this one. Okay, here he will give you one diagram, and then he give you some information, a particle. I'm going to zoom in a bit, make you watch it. easy a bit. Okay. A particle moves along the straight line and pass through the fixed point O in the velocity v is given v equal to 8 plus minus 4t, where t is the time in a second after leaving the point O. The particle stops instantaneously by at the point L. Means what? Means he said the particle will stop at point L. So what we know, when the particle stop at the point L, means what? Particle stop at the point L, the first information go into my mind is v will equal to 0 here. V will equal to 0 because he said the particle stop here. So the first information v will equal to 0. Okay, so and then okay, assume motion to the right is positive, mean actually you got positive mean you move this side, negative mean move another side. So part A, find the acceleration of the particle. This one is very simple because actually we are given one equation I write down. So v will equal to 8 minus 4t. This is the v. So you want to find the acceleration. Okay, you want to find the acceleration of the particle. So in order to find A, what we need to do, we have to differentiate v, because dv dt is equal to A. Okay, so therefore we differentiate this one, we got negative 4. Okay, because differentiate this one with negative away, we got negative 4. So therefore A will equal to negative 4, ms negative 2. That's all, 1 mark. Okay, and then for second part B, okay, the time in a second when the particle is at L. So you want the time when the particle at L. So you go back here, at L is here. So at L, v will equal to 0 because he said he stopped here. So what we do is, okay, when v equal to 0, so 0 will equal to 8 minus 4t. So 4t will equal to 8, t will equal to 2 seconds. That's all. If you understand the question, this is very easy to get mark. Then you get another 2 mark. Just like few steps. Some more is very short step. Okay, of course C and D is a little bit hard. Let's have a look. Okay, C. The velocity of the particle when it's passed through K. So you want to know the velocity here when it passes through K here. So first you have to know the time here. So in order to get the time here, you have to know actually the distance here means actually K located as means the S is negative 24. Negative 24 because this is 0 what? S when he go to the negative side means you got negative what? The distance is 24 meters means S here is negative 24. So if you can know this information, S equal to negative 24, you can easily get the information for T, and then the T can help you to find the velocity. Okay, because you want to find the velocity for K. So first thing, in order to get S, we have to integrate the equation first. So S will equal to integrate V dt. So therefore S will equal to integrate 8 minus 4t dt. Therefore S will equal to 8t minus 4t power at 1 power square divided by 2. Okay, plus c. Okay, so at here when S equal to 0, t will equal to 0, therefore c will equal to 0. Okay, because at here he didn't mention anything when S equal to 0 and t equal to 0 got any changes. So I assume everything equal to 0. Okay, so we got the equation S is equal to 8t minus 2t squared. Yes, then we got the S already. We want to find t at here. I want to find t at k. So when S equal to negative 24, so S equal to negative 24 equal to 8t minus 2t squared. Then I know I have to factorize. Therefore 2t squared minus 8t minus 24 will equal to 0. Okay, simplify. Divide by 2 everything. 2 squared minus 4t minus 6 equal to 0. And then I factorize this one. I can get t equal to 0. Okay. this one is divided by 2, so I guess this one is 12 here. It's 12, sorry, not 6. That's a mistake here. Okay, 12 is equal to 6 multiple 2. So 6 to 12 will negative 4, negative positive. Therefore, t will got negative 2 or t will got 6. Of course, time we only take the positive value. T equal to 6. Means what? Means at here, t will equal to 6. T will equal to 6 here. Then we can get the velocity at k. You want the velocity at k. So velocity at k is very simple. We substitute the velocity in formula. V equal to 8 minus 4t. T is 6 here. So V will equal to V will equal to 8 minus 24. So V will equal to, okay, this one you will got negative 16 ms negative 1. So therefore you can get negative 16 ms negative 1. I think yes. Okay, so understand. Then we go to the last part. Last part, normally he will ask you to find the total distance. So the total distance traveled by the particle from O to K passing through T. Mean actually he go from O to K passing through L. Okay, means from O passing through L and then go to the K. Because it says here V equal to 0, so I know this one is a turning point. Means he go until here. When V equal to 0 means he stop here and then turn back to K. We want to find the whole distance here. So of course we have to know what is the distance for OL first. Okay, because O go to L and then L go to O and then we go to K. Then we can get the total distance. So in here V equal to 0, we can get the T will equal to, when V equal to 0, T equal to 2. So we substitute T equal to 2, go to the S formula, then we can know the distance. Okay, so when V equal to 2, S will equal to 8, 2 minus 2 square. So equal to 16 minus 2, 4 is 8. So it's equal to 8 meter. Okay, means when T equal, this is when T equal to 2, not V equal to 2, sorry. Some mistake here. So when T equal to 2, mean at L here T will equal to 2. So when T equal to 2, O to L, you will got 8 meter here. So you got 8 meter here. So here obviously you go until here and then turn here. So here is 8 meter. So 8 plus 24, you got the total travel distance. Okay, so therefore total distance equal to, okay, OL plus LO plus OK. Means OL plus LO plus OK will equal to 8 meter plus 8 meter plus 24 meter. Then we will got 40 meter. That's all for this question. So if you understand about the motion on the straight line, actually you will find this question is quite simple. But then if you do not understand, it will take some time, because a lot of students can't get the information like V equal to 0, or when should I write S, or when you will get T, and then how to put T, go back to the V to find velocity, everything. If you understand, this is pretty simple question. Okay, today I just post 2 of this question. I hope in next video I can post the solution of the triangle, because some students also say this solution of the triangle is quite hard, and then I think I will post the index number also, because this index number is a little bit different in the part C, because part C he didn't give you the composite index straight away, he give you separately. Actually in this part you have to do the composite index one more time, means like petrol multiple the percentage of the petrol, means you have to multiple the weightage one more time lah. So I think index number and the solution of triangle I will post on the next video. Okay, so I really hope this video can help you understand. Even this now I know most of the students is pass your SPM MX exam already, but then yeah, this is learning stage, right? So hope you enjoy the video. Thanks.